Hi guys, thank you for tuning in to the information station. So today's video will be discussing how to opt out of the Whitepages public listing. So what you do is you go to the whitepages.com official website. I'm just going to type in a random name. And as you can see, a whole list of names pop up. Of people with this specific name. And so if I was stalking this woman, I would hit view details, and right there, boom, information, her personal information pop up. She's 50 years old, in her 50s rather. Her phone number is available. This is her address, and then also it shows previous addresses, places that she lived. So I can also go deeper and click monitor. And of course I have to put in my email address. And once I complete this, I will be able to monitor this person's, if anything changes, phone number, address, or whatever. Once you confirm your identity, you're gonna then copy the URL located at the top of your web browser. Now I've included a link to the opt-out page below in the description. So it should take you to this page right here. And this is pretty much Whitepages opt-out option. And so pretty much you can paste your URL into the opt-out column, then select opt-out to be removed from their listing. Whitepages will then send you a confirmation page. This page is simply for you to verify that the information and the details of the URL you're about to remove is actually correct. So once you verify that all the information is correct, you just click remove me. They're going to ask you to provide a reason for the request. You click submit when you're finished. Input your telephone number to verify the removal request. This is collected to verify the association with the listing. Review the agreement and then press call now to verify. You will then receive a phone call with a 4-digit code. Enter the 4-digit code and follow the instructions. Usually it takes up to 48 hours to process your request. Now they do give you a disclaimer stating that it may take up to 30 days in some cases, and that's because they do not have full control over public records or third-party search engines, which may display information that is catched from their site. So it may take a little bit of time for the other sites to upload the new data. So you just have to stay consistent, keep checking back, and eventually your information will be removed. If you guys have any additional questions or any additional information that may help anybody viewing this video, please leave it in the comments. I also left links in the description to take you to the actual pages in order to opt out. If this video has been helpful, please share, like, subscribe, and we look forward to doing more and more of these videos. So until the next time, stay informed.